Hey, good morning everybody. Big Al here, Big Al's Fishing Addiction, up here at Scofield Reservoir. Gonna do some ice fishing with my wife for her first time. She's a little sketched out, but I hope we have a great time, catch lots of fish, and she'll want to do it again. Hey, thanks everyone for watching and supporting the channel. You also have a good one. Thank you. All right, first fish of the day. Skunk is off, baby. Skunk is off. Nice little rainbow. And all I caught it was cutties last time. All right. Now it's my wife's turn. There's a fish right by something, doing something to. Got it? Let's go, baby. Her first fish on the ice. Be careful when you're getting it up top so you don't get stuck at the hole. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Pull him out. Uh-oh, your line's loose. That's a big, nice cutty. Yes.
Bigger than yours.
Yes. Good job, babe. All right. Yes. Good job, honey. Right by the lip. You gotta take a picture. Nice, honey.
Thanks.
Yes. And he likes that one. Come on, baby. Got it. You got it, baby. Let's go. You lose it? Mm-hmm. All right. Come on, baby. All right. Nice little rainbow. Mealworm, huh? All right. Nice, honey. That's number 3 for you, babe. All right.
He was over there first and then came over here.
He did?
Yeah. So
Awesome, honey.
I went to get up to go get yours and then all of a sudden.
Let's take a look. Show us the camera. Awesome. Good job, baby. What I'm talking about.
Yeah, I think he hit.
One on my very left.
Yeah. First.